It's gonna be a good day, boys. We have 3 car shows lined up today, 1 tomorrow. I got a full tank of gas, well, 3/4 of a tank of gas, a fully charged phone, a couple energy drinks, and I'm finally coming off the sickness I've had for the past few days. I'm ready to go. So to start it off, we're gonna be hitting up Cars and Coffee Charlotte. Be some good, they got everything there. They got tuner cars, supercars, muscle cars, everything. After that, we're gonna be hitting up Klean Exhibition Charlotte. It's gonna be like a tuner themed car show up at the Charlotte Convention Center from 12 to 7. After that, we're hosting a meet tonight and tomorrow night. So stay tuned for all that. We got a lot going on. Just make sure you guys stay till the end. It's gonna be a great day. Also, it's really, really cold. Really, really cold. Excuse me. I am not real excited for that. And it's not gonna get above like 45 degrees today. But, you know, it's worth it for the cars, right? Well, we are a little early, but that's because I wanted to watch everybody roll in, but you can already see people are starting to file in over there. I'm gonna go ahead and get up to the front so we can actually see all the cars that are about to pull in a few minutes here.
So I won't hold back, and you should know that was never gone, just have regrets. So I won't go back.
I don't know what you expected.
So my dad and I have been trying to make a trip to the Goodwood Revival these last few years.
Public transportation over there, half of the time takes you underground. Your point is right off the rich people.
Having a very similar car, revving it, and that thing sucks because you gotta click both to pop it in neutral, then you gotta do that, and you gotta click it back. It's like, I don't wanna. Yeah, right? It's like, we don't talk to anyone, but we deliver stuff. You know, aside from that one person, like everyone else, we're doing great. That's good. Oh my God. I honestly make sure, like, that's what this is. I'll never say that to a GCR.
It's something.
I want to know.
Let's hear it.
Of course, I missed that.
Well, it finally happened. It finally happened. Rest in peace, the Nismo, dude. Some pretty cool cars out here in the parking lot. See a 3000 GT over there, brand new M3. And there was an E36, but I don't know where he went. But once my boys get here, we'll head inside we'll see what's in there.
When I drove down to Abyss, while I blamed the world's neglect, Luna shine bright. So I won't hold back, and you should know that was never gone, just have regrets. So I won't go back, oh, what got me to forget the time I lost, won't let me forget.
This is the weirdest convoy I've ever been a part of.
Random.
All right, so update. We left the second show, got some food, and the convoy has now landed at the third spot of the night. Everyone else is on the way right now, and we're just gonna hang out for about an hour until the meet starts.
Every time I try to breathe, but you're right and carry me. For I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back, and you should know that was never good, just have regrets. So I won't go back.
What's this? All right, it is the next day, and as you can see, I am no longer in the GS. After the meet last night, I kind of came home and just fell asleep, so I didn't give you guys an update on what we're doing. It's the next day. We're going to another car meet now, and right now I'm going over to meet up with my buddy Justin, and we're going to cruise over to the spot. But today I just felt like driving the BRZ because I don't get to drive this car much. And yeah, without further ado, let's get to it.
So I won't go back, oh, what got me to forget the time I lost, won't let me forget.
All right, so I'm back home, and I have hopped, as you can see, I've hopped on Forza Horizon 5. I tried to record some good clips of me driving on the way home, you know, for a little filler. Didn't happen. My hands were frozen from the cold, and the BRZ is a 6-speed, so it wasn't gonna happen. So I just said forget about that, and I just drove it home. So yeah, the meet tonight was a success, a pretty good turnout. You guys saw a little bit of that. I'm gonna be honest, I was slacking a little bit on recording clips for it because I was too busy trying to keep, organize the meet. But thanks to everyone who came out to that, and thanks to everyone who watched this video. I don't know if I'd call it a vlog, or if it is, it's kind of a sorry excuse for one. But I'm learning, guys. I'm learning how to make these videos slowly but surely. So once again, thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like and a subscribe, so we can keep making them for you. Because I mean, it probably doesn't look like much, but this took a long time to edit. But I'm glad it's finally taken care of, and we should have some more content about the IS300 build and some more car shows coming out this week for you.